Recreo.
Pasan na sa tumapit na nga. Develop na boss.
From Barangay Recreo, Pasigado, jersey number 2. Jersey number 4, Artanga. Jersey number 5, Rivesa. Jersey number 6, Patingo. Jersey number 8, Rivesa. Jersey number 9, Iligacion. Jersey number 11, Silan. Jersey number 12, Suklan. Jersey number 14, Umile. Jersey number 15, Beria. Jersey number 16, Aribasto. Averisto. Jersey number 17, Suklan. Jersey number 21, Ilya Korea. Jersey number 31, Murada. And jersey number 73, Ruiz. And Coach Dilis. From Barangay San Juan, jersey number 1, Maldi Rama. Jersey number 2, Druelo. Jersey number 4, Pulido. Jersey number 6, Mindabia. Jersey number 7, Simpson. Jersey number 9, Magallanes. Jersey number 10, Andarada. And jersey number 11, Magallanes. Jersey number 12, Lazatin. Jersey number 14, Aloda. Jersey number 15, Trasmontero. Jersey number 17, Homen. And jersey number 18, Alvin Nahe. And jersey number 20, Druelo. And jersey number 71, De La Torre. And coach Erwin Abangan. And Armando Siasol.
So before we proceed to the game, let us hear a message from our SK Federation President, Honorable Raymond Lascano.
So, ngayong hapon sa tanan. Hep. So, first and foremost, madamo gid nga salamat no sa inyong suporta when it comes sa aton nga sport sa banwa sa Pontevedra. So, palakpakan ato at tagsa-tagsa na aton nga kaugalingon because nagapati ako kung wala ang inyong suporta, hindi maging successful, hindi maging matinuagon ang aton programa sa Silinga Banwa. So, sa ngalan sa aton Mayor no, Jose Maria Alonso, kaupod sa aton nga Vice Mayor Maria Silveria B. Wilbur, kag sa tanan nga sangguniang bayan members, ang amon nga congratulations gid for being part sa aton championship game. Nagapati ako nga tanan kamo champion na because napakita ninyo ang talento, ang skill sa isa ka taga Pontevedra. So thank you gid, kag madamo mga salamat sa aton nga mga ginikanan, sa aton pumuluyo, kag sa aton pamatanon. So tani ang spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, kag respeto sa tagsa-tagsa sa aton amo ginamagahari sa aton nga tagipusoon kag sa aton nga kaugalingon. So madamo gid na salamat, padayon kita sa paginiusa Pontevedra, abad se kabataan Tigrense, mabuhay ang makabagong pamatanon sa banwa sa Pontevedra. Sa liwan pa yung hapon gate pag madamo ka madamo ka sila.
Okay, thank you so much, Honorable Raymar Lascano. So, ready na? San Juan, ready na? Oh, Recreo! How about that? Oh, sige. Be the best team. Win. Okay, so... Ano? Okay, picture ko na na. Medyo compressed yung tayo. Sige, sige.
Both teams, set your first five. First five from Barangay Recreo, Suplan, Avaristo, Elia Correa, Umilig, and Perez. First five from San Juan, Omen, Sitson, Lazadin, Mendavia, and De La Torre. Let the ball begin. Elia Correa connect for 2 points by Elia Correa. 6 on for the bound to De La Torre. De La Torre giving the ball to Lazadin. Lazadin. Shot block working. And the net by Elia Correa. Elia Correa giving the ball to Suplan. Drive. Denied. Mendavia for the rebound. Mendavia 2 6 on. 6 on taking the ball. Guarded by Jersey number 2. Drive. Using the ball no good. Elia Correa for the rebound. Elia Correa giving the ball to Jersey number 14. Umilig. Back to Elia Correa. Elia Correa guarded by Mendavia. Shot clock 14. To Suplan. Drive. No good. And Lazadin 2 6 on to De La Torre. De La Torre to Roman. Drive. Close. And there's off. Jersey number 14. Umilig first personal foul and Omen from the big line for the first 2. Break for Russell. Omen for the second 2. Ball and play. Elia Correa for the rebound. Elia Correa. Pass to Avaristo. to Umbilik, giving the ball back to Ilya Korea looking for opening, shot clock 14 to Suklan, got by Lasadin, and there's Ozone, it's a traveling violation. Moment for the bound to Ilya Torre, giving the ball got by Ilya Torre, to Lasadin giving the ball, shot clock 14 to 6 on. Right away, Suklan, long pass to Suklan, to Ilya Korea, driving the ball, looking for opening, to, and there's Ozone. Jersey number 16, and sub. Abarisa for the second through. Ball and play. Suklan for the rebound. Got by 6 on. Turn around and fade away. No good. 6 on for the rebound. 6 on to Druwelo. Moving the ball. Shot back 14 to Vendavilla. 2 6 on. Turn to shoot. All and running down. Suklan burning down to Ilya Korea, leaving the ball. Looking for winning Ilya Korea. Guarded by shot clock 14 to Suklan. Guarded by Yoren. Back to Ilya Korea. 10 to shoot. To Umbilik. Fires. 6 on for the rebound. 6 on to Villator. To Homer. Drive lane. Looking for the rebound to Ilya Korea. Moving the ball. Guarded by Ilya Korea. To saved by Jersey number 15. Shot clock 14 to Suklan. Turn around. Too strong. For the rebound to Vendavilla. To Druwelo. Drive. And the scores of 5-3. 2-point lead by Barangay San Juan. Ilya Korea taking the ball. Looking for opening. Shot clock 14 to Abarista. Dilatore. 2-6 on. 6 on. To Dilatore. 2-6 on. And last touch by Ilya Korea. And sub. Druwelo over rebound to Dilatore. To Vendavilla. Who's for the rebound to Suklan giving the ball to Jersey number 9 to Royce. Shot clock 14 to Ilya Korea. To Suklan. 10 to shoot. Very good. Moment to Dilatore. Giving the ball. To Homer. Drive. And timeout. Barangay replay. And first personal foul. And the ring time 5 minutes and 41 seconds. 5 minutes and 41 seconds ring time for the first quarter game. And the scores of 7-3 in favor of Barangay San Juan. Back to the horn. For the first quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Championship game. Omen from the big line, 40 minutes through. Ball and play. Complete rebound by Omen. Jersey number 9 for the bound to Ilya Korea. Ilya Korea taking the ball. To Jersey Vesta. Shot clock 14 to Ilya Korea. Ilya Korea taking the ball. To Jersey number 9. Charles. Guruwela going down. Guruwela on the zone. Jersey number 21, Ilya Korea, second personal foul. And Ruelo for the bound to De La Torre. De La Torre giving the ball. Looking for the pass for three. Moment for the bound to Vendavia. Shot clock 10 to De La Torre. To Ruelo. And there's Susan. Jersey number 7. Simpson. First personal foul. Ilya Korea. On the bound to Jersey number 9. Back to Ilya Korea. Ilya Korea. Living the ball. Looking for the guarded by De La Torre. To Rivesa. Mars. For 3 points by Rivesa. De La Torre taking the ball to Druelo. Druelo. To De La Torre. Soklan for the rebound. Soklan giving the ball got by Druelo. Soklan drive lays Soklan for 2 points by Soklan. And the score is now 8-all. First block of the game. De La Torre. Oh, Vendavia. Pass for 3. Soklan for the rebound. Soklan giving the ball. Got the ball on the to Ilya Korea. Ilya Korea. To Rivesa. Pass for 3. Omen for the rebound. Omen to De La Torre. De La Torre. Giving the ball. De La Torre. Denied. We'll see the right to Ilya Korea. Ilya Korea doing the ball. And the set by Zixon to De La Torre. De La Torre giving the ball to Druelo. Druelo. And by Ilya Korea. Shot clock 14. And there's Zixon. Jersey number 9. First personal foul. And sub. Solid over the bound, shot up it in to Magallanes. To Roman, and to shoot. Rains for the rebound, rules to Jersey number 5 to Ilya Korea. Ilya Korea, giving the ball. Charge for the lane 3. 6 on for the rebound, 6 on. Giving the ball to Magallanes. Magallanes to Druelo. Giving the ball guarded by Ilya Korea. Turn around and pick up to Magallanes. Very good. Suklan for the rebound. Suklan giving the ball. Suklan to Rivesa. And stop. Druelo for the rebound to Magallanes. Magallanes giving the ball. Guarded by Jersey number 9. And the set by Jersey number 9 to Ilya Korea. Turn around and shot. Druelo for the rebound to Olvido. Giving the ball. to Holland. Holland back to Toledo. Jersey number 9 to Rivesta. Rivesta giving the ball to Elia Correa. Elia Correa giving the ball guarded by Toledo. To jersey number 9, shot clock 14 to Morata. To Rivesta. Correa for 2 points by Rivesta. And timeout. Barangay San Juan. And remaining time 2 minutes and 21 seconds. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining time for the first quarter game. And the score is of 10-8. 2-point lead by Barangay Recreo. Up to the heart. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Coming for the bound to Magallanes. Magallanes bringing the ball. Magallanes to Homer. Shot clock 14. Live and there's the ball. Jersey number 5, Rivesta. First personal foul and Omen from the B2 line for the first 2. Omen for the second 2. Ball and play. Elia Correa giving the ball to jersey number 5, Rivesta. Pass for 3 points by Rivesta. 6 on for the rebound to Human. And there's Rizal, jump ball. Sub. Sub. Gruel over the bound and there's Rizal. Step on the line. Elia Correa to Ruiz. Back to Elia Correa. Elia Correa giving the ball to Pasigaro. Fouls for 3. Correct for 3 points by Pasigaro. Moment to Magallanes. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining time. Gruelo drive. Too good. Elia Correa for the rebound. Elia Correa giving the ball by the right to Gruelo. Elia Correa to Rivesta. He got to Elia Correa. Shot clock 13. Fouls for 3. No good. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Omen for the bound to Magallanes. And the shot by Ruiz Cars. Gruelo for the rebound. Gruelo giving the ball. 85 seconds remaining time. 85 seconds. 85 seconds remaining time. 55. 50 seconds. 45. 40 seconds. There's Rizal. Jersey number 9. Penalty. Jersey number 9, second personal foul. And the remaining time, 39 seconds. 39 seconds. Sub. Right for Loco. Toledo. From the big line for the second group. 39 seconds remaining time. 39 seconds. All their play. Complete to one. Right to Toledo. Ruiz. 35. 30 seconds. Shot clock 14. 25. Right for Kumar by Ruiz. 20 seconds. 15. 11 seconds remaining time. 11 seconds. Header Suzo, jersey number 73. Ruiz first personal foul. 11 seconds remaining time. 11 seconds. Again from the beach line for the second through. Ball and play. Break for one more. 10. 5. 3.6. 3.6. 3.6. 3.6. 3.6. And of the first quarter game between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. And the scores of 18-12. 6-point lead by Barangay Recreo.
Parang hinay sa mga karaoke kayo na yun. Volume buro.
Back to the card for the second quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Championship game 1. 15 under category. Ilya Correa dribbling the ball, guarded by Di La Torre. To jersey number 1. Bars, no good. Owen for the rebound. Owen to Druwell. Druwell dribbling the ball. Guarded by Ilya Correa to Di La Torre. Di La Torre dribbling the ball. Step up to Druwell. Shot for 3 points by Druwell. Ilya Correa taking the ball, guarded by Di La Torre. Ilya Correa looking for the shot clock 14 to Murray. And single. Ilya Correa for the inbound. To Pasigado. Back to Ilya Correa. Back to Pasigado. Pasigado to Murata. Hard. Murata again. Drive no good. Ilya Correa. And there's Souza. Jersey number 2. Druwello. First personal foul. And sub. Ilya Correa proud to be the line for the second through. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by Ilya Correa and sub.
Yan.
It's on for the bound to Villa Torre. Villa Torre, getting the ball. To Druwelo, getting the ball guarded by Ilya Correa. Shot clock 14 to Druwelo. And the shoot, five. So far, and recovery by Druwelo. To Sixon. To Druwelo. Nice. Sixon. Druwelo. Nice. Sixon. Ilya Correa. Lays up right. Sixon to the ground to Villa Torre. Villa Torre. Winning the ball. Looking for the knee. Right by Passigano. Shot clock 14 to Druwelo. Trying to shoot. Back to Druwelo. To Villa Torre. Trying to shoot. Supply going down. Supply to the ball. Drive. And there's Season. Who picks the count. Jersey number 17. Suplan. First personal foul. Villa Torre taking the ball. Guarded by Passigano. Looking for the Druwelo and Season. Ilya Correa, first personal foul. Druwelo, guarded down to Villa Torre. Villa Torre to Druwelo. And to shoot, drive. And to set by Ilya Correa, drive. No good. Who is falling down for the second chance to Passigano. Denied. Long pass to Druwelo. Taking the hole. Druwelo, led by Arzaga. Druwelo. Supply for the down, supply to Ilya Correa. Lays up. Ilya Correa. It's all good down to Druwelo. Getting the ball got by Ruiz. Druwelo, right by Season. Sub.
Hindi man, pangamo sanay.
Sub.
Kailangan sab. Hindi niya kaya.
Arzaga for the bound to Passigano. Up to Arzaga. To Suplan. Turn around and shot tonight. Goal kick out by Suplan. It's all for the bound to Villa Torre. Villa Torre holding the ball. To Druwelo. Looking for the shot clock 14. To Sixon. Time to shoot. Open. 5 to shoot. Passigano. Jersey number 5. Correct. By jersey number 5. Villa Torre. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time to Druwelo. Moving the ball. Looking for the shot clock 14 to Druwelo. And to shoot. To Sixon. To Women.
3 points!
5 to shoot. Correct. 2 points by Sixon. Arzaga for the bound to Passigano. To Rivesa, back to Passigano, back to Rivesa, to Rose, pass for 2, no good. Druwelo for the bound to Villa Torre. Moving down. Villa Torre, led by Passigano, to Druwelo, pass for 2, no good. Suplan within the ball, Suplan to Rivesa. Nice correct, kick out by Rivesa. Villa Torre to Giruelo. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. And the scores of 13-17. And they were of Barangay Recreo. Giruelo. To Giruelo. 10 to shoot. 2-6-1. Correct for 2 points by 6-1. Pasigaro to Rivesta. Back to Pasigaro. Back to Rivesta. Back to Pasigaro. To Arzaga. Shot clock 14. To Suklan. To Arzaga. 10 to shoot. Rivesta. Pass to 3. Giruelo for the rebound. Giruelo. To Villa Torre. Villa Torre taking the ball. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Second down. Suklan going down. Suklan. Secure the ball to Pasigaro. Pasigaro getting the ball. Looking for opening to jersey number 4. Shot clock 14. Back to Pascal. To Rivesta. 10 to shoot. To Arzaga. No good. Souza. Jersey number 17. Pushing foul. Roman. Second personal foul. And Arzaga from the free throw line for the first two. That count. Step on the line. Arzaga for the second through. 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time. Ball and play. Omen for the rebound. Omen. To Giruelo. Giruelo. Giving the ball guarded by Rivesta. Giruelo. Wide. Lays up for good. Rivesta for the rebound to Pasigaro. Pasigaro. Giving the ball to Suklan. Suklan. Guarded by Giruelo. Shot clock 14. Drive. To Rivesta. Fouls. Connect for 3 points by Rivesta. It's over the down to Villa Torre. 3 minutes and 1 second remaining time to Giruelo. Shot clock 14. Fouls 14. Rules for the rebound. Rules to Suklan. Suklan giving the ball. One. 35-19. 35-19. 35-19. 35-19 and 35-19. Remaining time 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time. And the scores of 35-19 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Back to the horde. Back to the horde for the second quarter game. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Lazadin to Villa Torre. Villa Torre to Lazadin. Lazadin dribbling the ball. Drive. Extra pass to him. And to shoot. And the shot by Rivesta. Dribbling the ball to Pasigaro. Pasigaro. Dribbling the ball to Suklan. Suklan. Drive. No good. Ruiz for the rebound. Ruiz 10 to shoot to Suklan. And there's Saizal. Jersey number 7. 6 on. Second personal foul and sub. Shot clock 14 to shoot, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. To Arzaga. Correct, rebound. Nasa dito Magallanes. Magallanes, moving the ball. Looking for the goal, once again back to Magallanes. Magallanes, goal.
3 points!
Matavia, step up for two. 5 for 2, for good. 6 seconds in the ball.
Nagaw pa!
Shot clock 11 to shoot, shot clock 11 to shoot, shot clock 11 and to shoot. So playing for the rebound. And the pass to Ruiz. Drive lays up and good. Through the second rebound for the second chance to Masigaro. Up to Rigasa. Pass for two. Magallanes for the rebound. Magallanes. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining time. To Lazatin. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Shot clock 14. Arfanga for the rebound. Arfanga. To Pasigaro. Pasigaro to Suklan. 85 seconds. Connect for Suklan. By Suklan. 50 seconds. 45. Connect for Suklan. 35. 30 seconds. Shot clock 14. And there's Susan. It's a traveling violation. 26 seconds. 26 seconds. 22 and 22. 25. 20 seconds. Shot clock 14. 15. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Shot clock is up. 14 seconds. 10. 5.
Wala mo po siya? Hindi na tulad
And just second for the game. And of the second quarter game, and the scores of 41-22 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Next game, Barangay 3 versus Barangay Recreo, 30 under category. Championship game, game 1.
Kaya mo, hindi mo mapatungaan.
Back to the court for the third quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Moment for the bound to Magallanes. Magallanes to the ball for the bound to Single. Too good. Suklan for the rebound. Suklan over the ball. Suklan to jersey number 11. Tila to Arcata. Right.
Shoot!
Saan mo pasunod mula to? Hindi lang pasunod mula.
Sub.
May gama, nalikitaan siya. Tanda.
Growing up for the rebound. George Susan. It's a traveling violation. It's a traveling violation.
Ayan, gawa niya.
Intercept by Duruelo. Duruelo. Getting the ball to Roman. Drive lays up tonight. Good to ball. Drive Roman. Suklan to the ball. Pasiguero. To Suklan. Suklan to Tela. Back to Suklan. To Drew. Suklan to the ball. Suklan lays up to Drew. Duruelo to the ball. Duruelo. Getting the ball. Duruelo. Oh, Suklan. Oh, Pasiguero. Using the basket to on. By Pasiguero. Duruelo. To Villatorre. Villatorre. Getting the ball. Side step and pass. No good. Suklan for the ball. Suklan getting the ball. Suklan. To Suklan. Run by Villatorre. Drive. Pass no good. Pasiguero. To Pasiguero. And to shoot. 5 to shoot.
3 points! Uy! Tapos!
Villatorre. Getting the ball. Guarded by Tila. Villatorre. Shot clock 14 to Duruelo. Duruelo. Looking for winning 10 to shoot. Duruelo. Drive. Too good. Suklan for the rebound. Suklan. Getting the ball. Guarded by Yemen. To Suklan. Suklan. Getting the ball. Guarded by Yemen.
Hello! Hi!
Duruelo. Jersey zone. Jersey number 2. Pasiguero. First personal foul by Pasiguero. And remaining time 7 minutes and 22 seconds. 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining time. Duruelo from the big line for the second through. Ball and play. So 6 on is there. Connect for 2 points by 6 on. Shot clock 14. Goes the blood. Back to shoot. By Villatorre. Villatorre. Goes Robert. Robert. Moving the ball. Drive. Lays up. 6 on is there. Good. By Villatorre. Barangay San Juan. And in time 6 minutes and 44 seconds. 6 minutes and 44 seconds for the first quarter game. And the scores of 51-26 at Libero Barangay Recreo. Back to the court for the third quarter game. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Remaining time. Dila Torre to Drew Bueno. Back to Dila Torre. Dila Torre taking the ball. Run by Rivesta. Jersey number 8. Shot clock 14 to Drew Bueno. Behind. And there's Zoe Zong. Jersey number 5. Second personal foul by Rivesta. Drew Willow from the feature line for the first through. Connect for 1 point. Drew Willow for the second through. Ball line play. Complete 2 points by Drew Willow. So clock for the foul to Jersey number 11. Tella to Jersey number 9. Back to Tella. Tella five denied. Rivesta putting it down. Shot clock 14. 2 6 on. And the shot by 6 on. Secure the ball to Dila Torre. Dila Torre taking the ball by Jersey number 9. To Drew Willow. Drew Willow. Turn around. Next the pass to 6 on. Fouls. Connect for 2 points by 6 on. So clock for the bound to Jersey number 9. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. And the shot by Dila Torre. Dila Torre. Wide and Susan. Jersey number 9. A third personal foul. Dila Torre from the feature line for the first through. Dila Torre for the second through. Boneless lane. Fade away, great play, 2 points, line 6 on. Rivesta, who Tella, Tella, taking the ball, right away, Dila Torre. Tella, to Rivesta, to Rivesta, shot clock 14. Pass to shoot. And the shot, it's on to the ball. 6 on, behind lays up to the first 2 points, line 6 on. Rivesta, full Soklan taking the ball. Soklan, wide, lays up to the first 2 points, line 6 on. Dila Torre, full 6 on. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the third quarter game. Dila Torre taking the ball. Looking for the shot clock 14 and Susan. Jersey number 8, Rivesta. Sub. Rivesta. First personal foul. Four minutes and 42 seconds. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Drew Willow, holding down. Drew Willow. 2 women and the shot. Elia Correa dribbling the ball guarded by Drew Willow. Elia Correa. Jersey number 2. Gruelo, second personal foul. And Sam.
Lawig pa!
Uy! Ano? Wala ka galing ang boy mo naman. Okay. Pito na diyan.
Tingnan wala wide yan. Okay, matapos.
Omen point bound. To De La Torre. De La Torre. Oh, the shot by Joseph the nine. Joseph the nine. Siguro ball to Ilya. Ilya Korea. Joseph the nine. And last touch by Yoda.
Parang kaman daw.
Ilya Korea. To Pasigano. Pasigano. Shot clock 14. To Suklan. Suklan. Time to shoot. Exactly.
Ako, ilang lang. Ilang ako.
Sixon to De La Torre. Back to Sixon. To Ilya. Oh, the shot by Rivas. To Pasigano. Sixon. Dribbling the ball. Sixon. Right by two to De La Torre. Go to leader. And the corner. That's good. So fly going down. So fly getting the ball by Yoda. To Ilya Korea. 3 minutes and 22 seconds in the time. To Rivas. That's for two. Pasigano getting the ball. Pasigano. To Jesse for 9. Shot clock 10. Pasigano. Go good. 5 to shoot.
Ay! Wala pa gidya. Buha ka mo!
Jersey number 9 is there. That is jersey number 9. Keeps on to Gruelo.
Ay! Agaw pa kita.
Gruelo getting the ball. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Ilya Korea. Shot at 5 very good. And sub. 2 minutes and 48. 2 minutes and 48. And time out! Barangay Recreo. And remaining time 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time for the third quarter game. And the scores of 57-35 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Two minutes and 48 seconds. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. Lazatin to Gruelo. To leader. To Lazatin. To Gruelo. Taking the ball. Right behind. Gruelo. 10 to shoot. 6 on. Balls for 3. For 3 points by 6 on. Suklan coming down. To Rivas. Back to Suklan. Suklan taking the ball. Ready by Gruelo. Shot clock 14 to Ilya Korea. Drive. Rivers left to good. 6 on to the rebound. 6 on to leader. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. There was a foul by Rivas. To Suklan. Suklan taking the ball right by Gruelo. Suklan. Drive. Rivers left to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Again time. 6 on to Lazatin. Lazatin wide. Too good. Jersey number 9 to Rivas. To Ilya Korea. To Pasigano. To Rivas. Back to Pasigano. Pass for 2. Too good. 6 on going down to Lazadin. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. Lazadin to Magarillas. To Lidorado. Suklan for the rebound. Suklan giving the ball to Elia Correa. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Shot clock 14. Pasigaro. Time to shoot. Elia Correa. Time to shoot.
Hindi pagtuloy.
Six on for the rebound. To Duruela. 55 seconds. Point for Dumont by Duruela. 15 seconds. 45. 14 seconds.
Uy! Ay!
Point for Dumont by jersey number 5.
Seconds na lang mo.
30 seconds. 25. Shot clock is up. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Shot sub. 12 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds. 12 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds. 12 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds. Shot clock is up. 10. 5. And of the third quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Championship game, game 1. 15 under category and the scores of 61-42 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Next game, Barangay 3 versus Barangay Recreo. 13 under championship game, game 1. Both teams may dua-dua pa ka timeout. Both teams may dua-dua pa ka timeout. And back to the court for the last and final quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Championship game, game 1, 15 under category. Ribesa to Pasigaro. Pasigaro. Giving the ball. Pass for 3. For 3 points by Pasigaro. And warning. Jersey number 9 for the late the game.
Nakapawla.
Last bit for the back to Toledo. Back to Toledo. 6 on. 6 on. Pass for 3. Correct for 3 points by 6 on. And the scores of 64-45. So far, taking the ball. Shot clock 14, looking good by Yomi. And to shoot. Wide. Shot clock 8. 8 to shoot. Shot clock 8. 8 to shoot. Shot clock 8. 8 to shoot. Shot clock 8. 2. Pasigaro. Wide. Omen. 2. Dilatore. 2-6 on. Pass for 3. Lazadin going down in Thurston zone. Jersey number 9. Fourth personal foul and sub. Lazadin from the big line or the second through. Ball and play.
Ato ka na tao, gichikan na tao. Player lang na.
Moment for the down. There's some zone. It's a grabbing violation. Masigaro dribbling the ball. Masigaro. Who's it? On the ball. Who's it? So good. Who is for the rebound? Trying to shoot. 6 on for the rebound. 6 on for the other. Dribbling the ball. To Roman. Wide. So good. William for the rebound. Dribbling the ball. By the way, William for it. Looking for the lead. And there's some down. Out of bounds. Lazadin moving the ball. By the way, India Korea. Lazadin. Wide. Lays up to the first rebound by Lazadin. Passing it over the bound to Ribesta. Ribesta hitting the ball to Ruiz. Ruiz getting the ball to Ribesta. To Pastigado. Shot clock for team to Ribesta. Ribesta hitting the ball. Trying to shoot to Pastigado. Pass for three. To good. Ruiz to Murata. Time to shoot. Pastigado. To good. 6 on for the rebound. 6 on to Lazadin. Lazadin hitting the ball. To Lido. To Diladora. Pass for three. To good. Ruiz for the rebound. Ruiz. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. To Ribesta. Ribesta. Hitting the ball. To Pastigado. Shot clock for two. Back to Ribesta. Back to Pastigado. Time to shoot. And the shot by Hogan. Hogan hitting the ball. Wide. Lays up. To good. Ribesta for the rebound. Ribesta. To Olavaria. To Ruiz. Ruiz. To Ribesta. Ribesta. Wide. To good. Ruiz. For 2 points by Ruiz. To Lido. Giving the ball. Makes a pass to Lazadin. Turn around and fade away. Break for 2 points by Lazadin. Murata. Ribesta. Ribesta. Hitting the ball. To Ilya Horia. Ilya Horia. To Ruiz. Shot clock for June. To Ilya Horia. For June. Moment for the rebound. Moment. To Dilatore. Dilatore. Hitting the ball. Drive. Drive. Pastigaro for the rebound. Pastigaro. Hitting the ball. To Ilya Horia. And the shot by Yoda. To 6 on. 6 on. To Dilatore. Dilatore. And sub. 6 minutes and 8 seconds. 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15. 15 to shoot. Shot clock 15 to Lazadin. Great for 3 points by Lazadin. Sedlab, holding the ball. Sedlab for good. Wide. For good. Ruiz is there. And time out! Barangay Recreo. And the meantime, 5 minutes and 49 seconds. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. And the scores of 66-53 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Barangay Recreo, may isa na lang nabilin na timeout. Ang Barangay San Juan may 2 pa. San Juan, Barangay Recreo, may isa na lang ka-timeout. Ang Barangay San Juan may 2 pa. Back to the court for the last and final quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. 5 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Last again to De La Torre. De La Torre, taking the ball. Guarded by Basigaro. De La Torre to Druelo. Shot clock 14. Wide. No good. Basigaro for the rebound. Basigaro to Vista. Suklad. Last again to De La Torre. De La Torre. Dribbling the ball. Looking for Green to 6 on. Shot clock 15. Pass for the long 3. Suklad for the rebound. Suklad to the ball. Suklad. Right. To Ruiz. Suklad is there. Suklad. He's so good in that. Druelo to Lazadin, back to Druelo. Shot clock 14 to De La Torre. To Lazadin, then to shoot. Morata for the rebound to Suklad. Druelo for the rebound. Lazadin, Lazadin, 2-6 on, Mars, Omen for the rebound, there's some zone, jump ball. And timeout, Barangay San Juan, and remaining time, 4 minutes and 11 seconds. 4 minutes and 11 seconds for the last and final quarter game. And the scores of 68-53 in favor of Barangay Viltrio. We acknowledge the presence of our beloved Mayor, Jose Maria Alonso. Both teams may isa-isa na lang ka-time out. Sa liwan, both teams may isa-isa na lang ka-time out. 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time. 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 14. Sub. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 11. 11 to shoot. Shot clock 11. 11 to shoot. Shot clock 11. 11 to shoot. 2-6 on. To Druelo. 5 to shoot. 6 on. To Druelo. Denied. Basigaro for the rebound. To De La Torre. And the shot by De La Torre. De La Torre. 2-6 on. Bars for 3. Suklad for the rebound. Suklad. And the shot by Lazadin. For 2 by Lazadin. Suklad to Elia Correa. Elia Correa. Holding the ball. 3 minutes and 13 seconds winning time. Ruiz. To Elia Correa. Shot clock 14. To Ruiz. 10 to shoot. Suklad is there. And there's Suzong. Jersey number 17. Homen. Third personal foul and remaining time 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Shot clock 14. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Elia Correa, 10 to shoot, to Ruiz, pass for 2. 6 on for the rebound, 6 on, hitting the ball, got by Ruiz, and the shot by Ruiz. Ruiz to Elia Correa. Elia Correa to Suklad, wide. Using the back side for 2 points by Suklad. De La Torre, hitting the ball, De La Torre. Side step, no good. Rivesta for the rebound, Rivesta. And third season. Last touch. To Duruelo. Pass. 6 on for the rebound, no good. Elia Orea for the rebound. Elia Orea. Pass to Rivesta. Rivesta. 2 pass to Garo. And third season. 8 shot to Abelin violation. And stop. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. The winning time, 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Prepare, Barangay 3 versus Barangay Recreo. 30 under category. Championship game, game 1. Duruelo dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. Suklan for the rebound. Suklan to Pasigaro. Pasigaro to Rivesta. To Ilocos. To Rivesta. Rivesta. Drive, lay, up to the ball by Rivesta. Ilater to Lazabin. Last 2 minutes. Lazadin for rebound to Duruelo. Guarded by Ilya Korea. Shot clock 14. Drive. No good. Lazadin is there. Break for 2 balls by Lazadin. So glad for rebound to Ilya Korea. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining down. Pasigaro to Rivesta. Rivesta giving the ball. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Shot clock 14. To you take the last shot for 2 balls by Rule. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. 6 on to Duruelo. Third season. Offensive foul by Jersey number 20. Duruelo. And timeout. Barangay San Juan. And remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds. 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining time. And the score is at 74-57 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 18 seconds.
Wala ko roya, internet extend ko roya. Ano ko,
Ilya Korea for rebound to Rivesta. Barangay San Juan, wala na kapubiling timeout. Rivesta. And last touch by Rivesta. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 8 seconds. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Duruelo to Lazabin. Lazabin winning the ball. Lazabin falls. No good. Owen getting down. May kasama bang foul? Jersey number 9. 56 seconds. Push foul, push foul. Number 9. 5 fouls na sa 5 fouls.
Ay, madanain?
Jersey number 5, Rivesta. Third personal foul. Alright, from the B2 line for the bonus through. Ball and play. 56 seconds. Complete 3 points by 55. 50 seconds. Shot clock 14, 45. 10 to shoot, 40 seconds. 5 to shoot, 35 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 14 seconds. Foul line counted. Jersey number 17, Suklan. Sigas personal foul and Lazadin from the picture line. 12 seconds remaining time. Lazadin for the body screw.
Para mo, Nay. Para mo, Nay. Para mo, Nay.
Yes, and congratulations to Barangay Ricola. Securing the 1 point
Bungko mo, Nay. Bungko.
against Barangay San Juan.
So, hindi mo na. Hindi mo na sinabada. Bungko lang mo. Bungko lang mo, Nay. Hindi mo sinabada.
Big.
Hindi na ba i-score?
Player of the game, wearing jersey number 17, Suklan.
Thank you.
One.